Good afternoon, teacher.
Hi, today?
We are fine, thank you, and you?
I'm very good, thank you. Today our topic is about aromatic hydrocarbons. Carbons. Hydro, it means a hydrogen atom. Carbons, it means carbon atoms. Today our topic is straight connected with benzene. What is benzene? As first of all, I want to draw some structure. For example, benzene has 6 carbon atoms. Its general formula CN H2N minus 6. So, according to this formula, let's draw some structure of benzene. This is carbon atoms 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. But, here, I want to draw this bond with the point. For example, this is the electrons. This is also electrons. Electrons. Like situation. Last lesson we have learned about the carbon. Every carbon in the compounds, its valence electrons is 4.
Yeah.
It always use 4 electrons to valence with each other atoms. So now look at here. This is 2 electrons. Yeah. We need other 2 electrons. So here we give 1 hydrogen atom. There's 1 hydrogen atom. Here's 1 hydrogen atom. But hydrogen atom has 1 electrons. So 1 electrons. Bonding electrons. But we have another electrons. So here bond will change. How to change? This is single bond, double bonds, single bond, double bond, single bond, double bond. So let's work out count electrons. For example, it's 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay?
Yes.
1, 2, 3, 4. It means 4 electrons we completed. We fulfill the 4 electrons. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, this is a benzene. This is a structure formula of benzene. Benzene, it's like rain. So in this benzene, also I want to draw some circle. For example, circle. That's why, because this circle, it means electrostatic power, electrostatic gravitation. Shear electrons is stable. So here we can draw. It can be draw circle. So now this benzene has how many hydrogen atoms? 6 hydrogen atoms and 6 carbon atoms. So we can write the benzene formula C and the hydrogen atom 6. Yes?
Yes.
Okay, do you understand me?
Yes.
If you understand me, please now can you describe and can you share us what do you know about this benzene and what do you want to say about this benzene, please? Now, iron, please. Can you say?
I can say about properties of aromatic hydrocarbons. Okay?
Yes.
Okay. Most of the aromatic hydrocarbons are liquids at room temperature, while others crystalline solids, and most of them cause their structure causes them to be non-polar unless they contain electronegative substitutes, so they are insoluble in the water.
Yes, this is a home task. Yeah.
Yes.
Okay, fantastic. Next, who want to say? Arjan, please.
I want to say about substitution reactions and addition reacts and benzene reacts. Substitution reactions are characteristic of saturated hydrocarbon, and addition reaction are characteristic of unsaturated ones. And the benzene react more like a saturated hydrocarbon because in the specialized bonding in the benzene ring.
Yes, very good. Okay, now the students, please be active. Okay, Bigzat.
I want to say about naming aromatic hydrocarbons. There are two conventions for naming compounds that include benzene ring. So which one use depends on the structure of other parts of the compound, and usually we use first conventions for name aromatic hydrocarbons.
Yes, very good. And we have another task, a home task. Classification of aromatic hydrocarbons. Who can say? Jansaya, please.
Classification of hydrocarbons divided into two big groups or classes.
Yes.
They are aliphatic and aromatic hydrocarbons.
What is the aliphatic?
Aliphatic hydrocarbons also divided into three groups.
Yes.
They are alkanes, alkanes, and alkenes.
Alkane.
How I know?
How many bonds?
Alkane has one
One
bond,
bond.
alkane has two bonds, and alkene has three bonds.
Yes, okay. And here, benzene, double bond, single bond, double bond, single bond, like situation. So, thank you very much for your attention.